Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You have an undergraduate GPA that approximated by a normal distribution with a mean of 3.30 and a standard deviation of 0.16. I always like to draw a picture, so here's your normal curve with the mean of 3.30 and standard deviation of 0.16. You want to find a GPA that places students in the top 5%. And so, that'd be this area over here, the top 5% or 0.05. You need to look up the z-score for that. So to look up the z-score, you could either use table 4, look for the top 5%. That means the area to the left would be 95%. This area over here would be 95% or 0.95. And so what I did was I just looked in table 4 and looked up 0.95 and found this z-score of 1.645. Or you can use technology. I have provided videos in the section assignment for using technology. You can use TI-84 or StatCrunch, the normal calculator with the StatCrunch or TI-84 is the inverse norm function. And then you should find videos to show you how to use both of those in a section. Or you got the table. So you got different choices for finding the z-score. So then the formula, x equals the mean. Oops, I used mu here, sorry. The mean plus the z-score times the standard deviation. That should be x bar there. So that should be x bar. So I put, the mean was given as 3.3. I looked this up in the table, and the standard deviation was given as 0.16. So I put it in the calculator. Then the next problem, I guess, I didn't write down the directions, but it wanted to know, what scores would be in the middle 50%. So I drew the curve here. This blank area would be middle 50%. And so, the other half would be over here. You'd have 25% here and 25% here. And so, 0.25, you could either use the table or, again, technology. I just used a table and found, it's 0.67, it's symmetric, and minus 0.67. So then I put it into the formula twice again. Got the two answers. I guess I should be consistent here. This is x bar. And this one's also x bar. So I get these two answers down here. Hope that helps.